The Environment and Energy program at GW Law is a big program. We're probably one of the largest in the country. We offer something in the order of 25 classes in environment and energy law. We offer a lot of practical hands-on experience through internships in our environment and energy policy practicum. We're a program that's been around for a long time. We're one of the first environmental law programs in the country. Today we focus a lot on issues like climate change and on energy. We're working on those energy issues that are in front of everybody today and are important to the future of the country.
What sets our program apart, I think, is the combination of location and access. We have an extensive array of adjunct faculty members who are practitioners in DC, members of federal administrative agencies, staff members of Congress, people who are working at the highest levels of environmental law. And I don't think you get that kind of access in any other part of the country.
I think the real-life application is why the program is so important. The fact that the professors are so well-versed in their fields. They have so many contacts with practitioners. I've gotten the opportunity to work at the Environmental Protection Agency, Department of Justice, Humane Society, a World Wildlife Fund. Those are all places that are headquartered in DC. So the opportunities you get to interact with people that are making policy here in the nation's capital is an experience that you wouldn't get anywhere else.
Faculty is easily accessible. They are always open to go the extra mile, sharing with you their information, their knowledge, their experiences, and they try to integrate as much as they can those experiences to the classroom, enabling the students to see how the real challenges that we face in today's world are addressed by multiple stakeholders that are involved in the energy sector.
We have a partnership agreement with the University of Groningen in the northern Netherlands. We also work with Fundacio Getulio Vargas in Rio de Janeiro, and we've had 2 trips where the students work with each other on joint research projects. They spend a week in classes and field trips, and this really gives the students an important opportunity to learn energy and environmental law in the international context, which is hard to find anywhere.
The classes prepare you for working in the field, just the experience that they give you with the statutes and being able to apply them later, being familiar with cases that you've read about in class that professors have explained to you. Some professors have even worked on certain cases. So just to have that kind of insider perspective and understanding of case law and statutes that these professors are able to give you is amazing.
Environmental issues and energy law issues are at the forefront of the national policy debate and will continue to be at the forefront for many years to come. If we live in an industrial society, we're going to produce chemicals and adverse environmental effects that need to be managed. We're living in a world whose population is increasing, and therefore demands on resources are growing, which creates scarcity, which in turn creates the need for laws. And so environmental and energy law are crucial to the functioning of societies, and at GW we're training practitioners who can lead the efforts to resolve those complicated questions.
Climate change, the availability of affordable energy, air pollution, issues with access to water are all critical issues for the country and for people around the world. GW gives our students the opportunity to play in that very important arena. It gives them the skills and the contacts to be effective lawyers dealing with these very important issues.